大家好啊！我個名咧就叫做威廉啊，我係嚟自香港一間社企叫做遊。首先當然係好感謝雲林縣嘅縣長嘅邀請啦。咁作為我哋香港唯一一個代表咧，咁我哋係非常之榮幸。咁當然地都照顧得我哋係好好。如果有好多唔同嘅外地人去一齊參與嘅時候，咁我哋係有一個好好嘅交流去知道啊，原來歐洲、比利時、芬蘭、韓國係點樣去進行一個活動。
Taiwan is so popular in Japan, and there are many places, but this forest special point is of course altitude. So if you come to this forest, you can see the cloud sea of cloud. It's another world. So climbing up the mountain, and you can see the cloud. Next, you can see the forest of bamboo. So you can enjoy the changes of the altitude and the changes of the landscape. It is a special point of this forest.
Indian government have a very good bamboo forest, and at the same time it has a very good agricultural product. We, Chungnam National University, we have a very good knowledge and technology about forest therapy. So I do my research in this bamboo forest. And on the other hand, in the future, in Indian government, there are many specialists about forest therapy. So I want to do international cooperation with Indian government.
Well, it was like walking in a dream because nature is nature everywhere. It just looks different. Quite fast, I felt at home. So it's beautiful, it's very different. And what I would like to say about this opportunity to be able to be here today, I'm immensely grateful.
The forest here has so much qualities, I think, especially the quietness, the freshness of the air, and yeah, the different views, because there are these slopes and you can see far, but it can be very close also. So different views and different species, and yeah, so much qualities, I would say. I think more like bringing young people here and have more like conversations with them here, how they feel about life in general and how nature can be more a part of life, and using this area to have these conversations in a way, and yeah, see what these effects have, these conversations in the forest, like in a building inside. I'm sure that this is a very beautiful place for everyone to come, because there are so many options here. You can also, yeah, you can use the slope to do also something more active and some more playful. And it's also a place to be very quiet and slow. So there are so many options here for all these people. So I think it's a perfect place for everyone.